Hi everyone, my name is Sumit. I'm a digital chess coach. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is called checking the king, how to check a king, how to attack a king with your piece. So watch the video and understand about checking the king, and this is a very important move for you to understand. But it is an optional move. You should not do it unless it is necessary, and it will give an position advantage or a tactical advantage for you. So you understand what is a check and how a check is given.
Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to see about the checking the king. Checking means attacking the king and put the king under check or the attack and force the king to move to a safer square or force the king to flee from your attack. So we'll see about how to check with a queen, how to check with a rook, how to check with a bishop, how to check with a knight, how to check with a pawn, and also how to get out of check. So all these concepts will be covered in this lecture, and next we'll cover checkmate. So let's see. Let's go back to the chessboard. The PDF. The king is said to be under attack when it is attacked by an enemy chessman. So when an enemy chessman attacks your king or give a check, means they are attacking your king and forcing it to flee. If it is unable to flee, then it is called checkmate. So whenever a player's king is put under check, he must immediately on the move get his king out of check. The king must never be moved to a square which is where it will be within the capturing range of an enemy piece. So when you are under check, you cannot move to a square where again it is attacked by an enemy piece. Neither king, whites or blacks, can put the other king into check. That is not possible. A king cannot check the other king. As I told you in many other lectures, there should be a one square difference between two kings, so one king cannot check the other king. So if by mistake the king has not got out of check or has not moved onto a check, then as soon as the position before the king was left in the check or moved onto check must be set up, and another legal move must be played as per the rules. So if by mistake you make an illegal move and the king is under attack, you have to retract that move and make the legal move of moving away from the check or blocking that check. So check is not a compulsory move. Many beginners try to check the opponent's king whenever possible because they like to announce check when playing their move, but it is not necessary to announce check at every possible chance. So if you see the diagram, checking by the queen, the queen is giving the check to the king, and there's three ways to get out of check. The king can move to the a7 square here, and otherwise you can capture this piece which is giving a check, or if there is another piece which can come in between the king and the queen which is giving check, then that is also possible to get out of check. Rook the rook check is also similar to queen check. The rook is giving check. The king cannot move to these two squares because it is attacked by the king. He can move to f8, g8, h8 or f6 squares and get out of the check. Or if there is another piece for black, then you can block the check by this rook by putting that piece in between the rook and the king, or otherwise you can capture this rook. So check by bishop is a diagonal check, same way as a queen check or a bishop check, a queen check or a rook check. Yeah, the king has the option to get away from the check by moving to f8, f7, g8, h8 or h7. Or you can capture this this bishop if you have any other piece to capture it, or it can be blocked as well. Next is a check by the knight. So the peculiar of the speciality of check by the knight is that there's only two options. You can either move away from the check, or you can capture the knight which is giving the check. There is no option to block the check. So white knight is giving a check from d3, and the king can flee to any squares other than this f4 square, which is again controlled by this knight. Check by a pawn, again, you know, it is like similar to the knight check, where there's no option to block the check. The king has to move away from the check, and or you can capture this pawn. So how to get out of check? So once you are in check, it becomes obligatory on your part to get out of it immediately before the rules of the game do not allow the king to be left on the check. If a player leaves his king in check and makes some other move, then move is illegal. According to the laws of the game, the move should be retracted and another move made. There are three principal methods to get out of check. The king should be moved to a square which is not under attack by any of the opponent's chessmen. This is called a move. The king can be shielded from check by placing a piece or a pawn between king and the piece, giving the check. This is called a block. And by capturing the chessman, giving the check either with the king or with other chessmen, and this is called the capture. So I'll just show you an example of block, moving away from the check, and also capture. Imagine you are giving it the white queen is giving a check to the black king like this. Black king is here. The white king is somewhere here. So this is a checking position, you know. So imagine that there is a knight or a rook here somewhere. So if you are giving a check with a queen, there are two options. For black, you can move to a safer square, or you can block it like this from the check. Then this queen is under attack, and the queen has to flee. He can give a check here, and king and move like this. But imagine that there is a knight here somewhere like this, and if you give a check like this is a blunder, because then this knight can capture this queen. So the three ways to get out of check is that either by moving this king out of checking square, or blocking this check like this, or capturing the checking piece. But check with a knight cannot be blocked. If you give a check like this, only option is to capture this knight if you have a piece to capture it, or to move away from the check. That is the only method available. So that is about it. I hope you understood the concept of check. Check is a concept of attacking the king, and if we will see about checkmate in the next section, and that is the objective of our game, to checkmate the opponent's game.